Hello, welcome to I Like to Move It, number 1. Due Monday, September 16th. Required 3 times, 20 minutes. Read to self and practice your power goal. Be sure to check each box after completion. Work on writing, narrative. Required 5 minutes, learning. Scan the QR code to watch the narrative Foursquare Plan video. This is independent. Reflect when done. Required 20 minutes practice. After our writing benchmark on Monday, create a narrative Foursquare plan telling a story about a time you played a fun game. This is independent. Reflect when done. Under reading comprehension, required 20-minute practice. Read My Body Needs Rest on Epic. After you are finished, fill out the sheet in the resource area. This can be done in pairs. Reflect when done. Under Listen to Reading, required 15 minutes, practice. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? Be sure to write the title on the line. Then take the quiz and write down your score on the next line. This is independent. Reflect when done. Foundational Skills Silent E. Required 5-minute learning. Watch BrainPop Jr. video on Silent E. Reading and writing, phonics, Silent E. Complete the BrainPop Jr. Silent E quiz located in the resource area. Scan the QR code to listen to the quiz if needed. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when done. Required 20-minute practice. Green readers will read Silent E World Builder cards. Blue readers will highlight the Silent E words and write them. Red readers will complete the Tool the Mole passage, all located in the resource area. This is independent. Reflect when done. Required 5-minute practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. This is independent. Reflect when done. Social Studies. Choice. 15 minutes learning. Read pages 63 through 67 in the Social Studies Alive textbook. Or scan the QR code to listen to pages 63-67 in the Social Studies Alive textbook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. On the back page of this checklist is required 15-minute practice. Complete the How Did People in Our Country Live Long Ago table in the resource area. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Under the Healthy Living Notebook, choice 20-minute learning activity, lungs. Watch BrainPop Jr. Lungs. Go to Health, Bodies, then Lungs. Then complete the lungs page in Living Notebook. Or read page 198 in Science Fusion. Then complete the lungs page in your Healthy Living Notebook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Brain. This is choice 20 minutes learning. Watch the BrainPop Jr. video on health, body systems, brain. Then complete the brain page in your Healthy Living Notebook. Or read page 194 in Science Fusion. Then complete the brain page in your Healthy Living Notebook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Heart. This is choice 20 minutes learning. Watch the BrainPop Jr. Heart video. Go to Health, Bodies, then Heart. Then complete the heart page in your Healthy Living notebook. Or read page 199 in Science Fusion. Then complete the heart page in your Healthy Living notebook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Under second grade scientist, required 20-minute practice. Play the Science Tools concentration game. Flip the cards upside down to start and then take turns looking for a match. If you make a match, you get to go again. When you're done, take a picture of your matches and post it to Seesaw. This is a pair activity. Reflect when done. Good luck!